Here you go, Mr. Zucchini. Hope you get nourished and fed and do well. I'll do my best to take care of you. You do your best to take care of us. Okay? Alright, there's Zucchini. Alright, the zucchini is done. Next, Lord, Lord, I'm gonna go over here and do our parsley. And a little gnome, dude. There you go. Take care of that parsley for me, buddy. I know you do a good job. On here, we're gonna put some sweet basil. That'll be good. In the front, because I think this will kind of bush out, and I'll just keep it trimmed. We're gonna do the Italian oregano. I'm gonna get some sun today, buddy. Tell you what. Alright. Just got that whole corner there. Italian oregano. Back here, we'll do the aloe plant. Right in this corner back here. Huh? Stuck it back in there. Or we'll give you some more dirt. Alright, y'all, let's go get some more dirt back in there for him. Huh? You do good back there, right? Alright. Just gotta do those. Again, that's potatoes.